Hi there. There's nothing better than a wheelie. To learn a wheelie, I suggest to ride in sit-down position. Ride slowly in first gear, then pull the clutch with one or maximum 2 fingers, and then clutch in hard at mid-raves to lift up the front wheel. A controlled wheelie is always a combination of using throttle and the rear brake. After a while of practice, try to get closer to the tipping point, which is pretty high, higher than 45 degrees, I'd say. In case of getting over the tipping point, you have to stay cool and close the throttle, hit the brake to get the bike to the front again, and always remember, with the help of the rear brake, you will never overturn to the back. There's nothing cooler than wheelies, as we all know.